Hindi.
Sabihin ko,
Ha? Dul.
the history of St. Louis University.
I'm sorry.
The history of St. Louis University, one of the most excellent and prestigious learning institutions in the Philippines, St. Louis University succeeds in helping the beautiful city of Baguio establish a strong educational sector with 20,000 students. There is no doubt that it is the largest school in the northern region of the Philippines. Many scholars and excellent students in the other parts of the country, as well as in other countries, enroll in the university because it has an outstanding curriculum. St. Louis, in which is located, St. Louis University always has been at the edge of change, just as the city functioned as the gateway for the West for millions of Americans in search of something better for themselves. St. Louis University has served for more than 180 years as a gateway of the future. For more than 100,000 students to discover something better within themselves and the world around them. Yet, while St. Louis University always have been an innovative institution, it has maintained a firm foundation in the traditions of the Catholic Church and the values of the Society of Jesus. SLU traces its origin to the St. Louis Academy, founded on November 16, 1880 by the Most Reverend Louis Delaunay Valentin Doberg, Bishop of Louisiana, and the Florida's made a place under charge of the Reverend Francis Mail and other of the cellular clergy attached to St. Louis Cathedral. Its first location was in a private residence located near the Mississippi in an area now occupied by the Jefferson National Expansion Memorial in 1907. The CICM missionaries arrived in the Philippines mandated by the Holy See evangelists the northern part of the country. Pretty soon it became apparent that hundreds